Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. Some people may be subscribed to me already because I made videos like 3 years ago, but then I stopped and now I'm back. Nobody cares. So, as you can see by the title, I'm going to, well, I already unboxed it and looked at it, but I'm going to be unboxing it on camera, the new Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson palette. So this is what it looked like when it came in the box. This wrapping paper. I'm trying not to drop it. Super cute. And then it came with like, looked like that. It came with like black wrapping paper on top, but I took it out already. Goodbye. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then you open it up. Oh, I was pulling on both sides, that's why. And here it is. Put that over there. This is it. So this is what it looks like. And then it has these little clasps right here, which I think is really cute. And then you open it up and this is what it looks like. This is what I'm going to be trying to figure out an eye look with. Okay, so I decided I'm going to swatch these all and show you the colors, and then I'll figure out an eye look. So
intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sun.
next one is Pigment. Oh, Pigment. I was like, oh.
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can.
First start with a big fluffy brush. It doesn't have pigment on it, it's just stained. And this is the Morphe M518. And I'm going to pick up Pigment, not Pigment. Okay, then you want to take a clean blending brush. I'm just going to use this one. This is just one of the ones you get in the Anastacia. Trisha, the pink one, and I'm going to put that all over. No? Okay. Then I'm going to take another brush, any brush you would like, small, for the inner corner, and I'm going to take Ranch right there. And I'm going to put that want to add Ranch up to my brow bone. Ooh, that's cute. Don't look at my eyebrows. I don't know who did these, but it wasn't me. They're just not working for me. I tried so many things and it like doesn't work. So if you have some eyebrow tips, just let me know, because I've used everything. They still look ugly. Take a brush like this, and I'm going to take Not Effect. Not Effect. Cute. Okay. I take that on a little brush, tap it off, and I'm gonna do like a wing, like a little mini wing. Stay tuned. I'm excited because this came in perfect timing. When I ordered it from Beautylish, it said it was going to take like 12 days to even ship it. And I was like, 12 days? That's a long time. And then it came today, which is my birthday. Yay. Okay. How exciting. Today's the 5th, by the way. November 5th. Oh, I need that. I'm not finished. Result. Bam. Wait. Bam. Cute, huh? Okay, so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the other eye. I'm going to apply my eyelashes, do my face, and then I will be back. Okay, I'm back. So I did my eyelashes. These are the Salon Perfect Demi Wispies. Yep, and then, ooh. Oh my god, I forgot to wipe that off. I can't be a beauty person. Suck, I need black eyeliner right there. Hold the phone back and I wiped the dust off. Alright, so I'm just gonna add some, this is the Estee Edit. So for underneath, I don't know. I kind of want to do this color. But then I kind of want to do the orange. I think I'm going to do the orange. Which is cheese dust. Let's see. Alright, so I did this and I really like it. And I did my makeup the fastest I've ever done my makeup before. I'm impressed with myself. And I'm going to add this Revlon So Fierce mascara. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to do MAC Velvet Teddy. Alright, so if you guys want to see more videos from me, like, comment, subscribe, and I will be making more soon.